Alright guys, so first and foremost, let's start by poking holes in our sweet potatoes so we can get them nice and tender in the oven. Disclaimer, if you are new to baking, please put your baking potatoes down on a sturdy surface and poke holes in them. I've been doing this for years, so I know not to cut myself. Let's go. So next, what you want to do is you want to wrap each sweet potato in foil. I normally, just separate them and wrap them just like so, and get ready to pop them in an oven on 400 degrees for an hour and 25 minutes. Okay, so now that our sweet potatoes have cooled and we have let them, get nice and tender in the oven, we want to go ahead and take the skin off of them. It doesn't really matter how you take the skin off of them. You can peel or you can use a knife, however you choose. Just, get the skin off of them, make sure nothing drops in your bowl, and just peel away. Have fun with it, you guys. I even like to eat some sweet potato along the way. I'm just greedy like that. Alright guys, so here's a quick tip on keeping your blades clean. Just get you a bowl of water, and as you are blending, every so often take your blades out and just dip them in a bowl of water to keep them clean and keep the strings off of them. It makes life a whole lot easier, and you're going to want to do this about 4 to 5 times to make sure your sweet potatoes are stringless. As you can see, mine are getting there. I got about maybe 3 times to do it, but less strings as possible, you guys. Less strings as possible. Alright, you guys, I am checking in on you, wanting to know if your mixture looks something like this. I hope so. Okay, y'all, it's time for our spices and our flavoring. So we're going to add our sugars, our brown sugars and our white sugars, our spices. Next, we're going to add our butter, you guys. Trust me, it got in there somehow. I just deleted a step. And then we're going to be adding our extract. So here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of lemon, and I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla, I think. You know me, I gotta be extra. Here's some extra love. So it's actually 3 teaspoons, you guys. And then I'm going in with my balancer. Of course, it's going to be the salt. Got to have that salt inside of your sweet desserts to balance everything out, y'all. And in goes the evaporated milk. Now you can blend away to incorporate and make sure everything mixes very well, you guys, because we're going to be taking this over to our stove soon. And here's my little taste tester. He has the best taste buds, so I let him, come in the kitchen with me. And plus, he loves sweet potato. So we're going to mix everything around, you guys, just to make sure we incorporate everything in the bowl together. And I'm just checking in with y'all. Do your mixture look like this? I hope so. I know we're on the same page, so let's continue. All right, you guys, so to the stove, this is going for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. This is a no-bake dish, so we want everything to taste authentic. Got it? Over to the stove we have gone, y'all. Our mixture is thickening up quite nicely. Like I said, this is a no-bake dessert, so we want it to taste very authentic, you guys. Now on to our cheesecake mixture. Cream cheese is in this bowl, you guys. We're going to be adding our sugars and blending away with our flavors and our extract. So in goes the powdered sugar first. I'm doing 2 cups of powdered sugar inside of here, and I have 3.5 cups of cream cheese. And I'm doing 1 cup of whipping cream, you guys, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And then we are going to blend away to incorporate all the flavors together, make it creamy and luscious. Nutmeg goes in. That's the secret to your cheesecakes. Yes, we made a Gingersnap cookie crust, you guys. Footage got deleted. But we're going to still put it together, aren't we? Yes, we are. In goes the caramel. Now, I like to take the caramel and wrap it around the glass just to give it like a really cute presentation, you guys. I'm extra like that. Okay, so now that we have our presentation all set, we're going to add some caramel to the bottom around the glass, as you can see, and in the bottom of the glass. I guess I wasn't complete with my decorations, but like I told y'all, I'm extra. So in the glass, we're going to put our caramel sauce. See? Just like so. And next, we're going to add our cheesecake mixture. See how it's the difference in how you want to keep the different layers in it. Next, we want to add our Gingersnap cookies and the yummy sweet potato mixture. Just have fun with it, you guys. It doesn't really matter how you do it. It really doesn't. More caramel sauce. More Gingersnap cookies. More cheesecake. Load it up. More sweet potato. Y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all, these things are going to be amazing. They're going to love these if you're making these for the holidays. Love them. More caramel sauce. And now we're going to add some Gingersnap cookies. However you want to place them, just have fun with it. And look. Take a look at these, you guys. They look amazing. I promise you, if you take these anywhere for Thanksgiving, they're going to love them. If you try them, please let me know how you enjoyed them. Leave a comment. Let me know how everything worked out for you. I hope you guys have a very happy holiday. Try this dessert. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how your family and friends like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.